How to fix maximum number of attempts reached. Try again later on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the foremost method is on your home screen, tap hold on the TikTok app and in the menu that appears, tap on the clear cache option. And in the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and clear all the in-app cache and the downloads cache. Next, make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. So, launch the settings application and tap on Wi-Fi, and if your Wi-Fi is not working properly, switch to cellular, and if your cellular is not working properly, switch to Wi-Fi. See if that fixes your issue, and if not, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for TikTok. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. And if the issue is still not fixed, then go ahead and completely delete the app from your device and reinstall the app again from your app store and launch the app further, and your issue should have been fixed by now. So, this is how you can fix maximum number of attempts reached. Try again later on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.